Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel Twoguysfinance. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fill in data and customize table views on Notion. Now, if creating a table in Notion and you want to fill in the data, it's quite simple. What you do is click on any cell in the table to start typing, and depending on the column type that you've chosen, you can enter text, select options, choose date, check boxes and more. Now, for how to customize table views, Notion allows you to create different views for your table. For example, table, Kanban, calendar, or gallery. And to change the view, what you do is click on the view option in the upper left corner of the table. Select Add a View or modify the existing views. Choose the view type and adjust the filters or sorting criteria as needed. Now, there are some additional table features like sort and filter. You can sort and filter the data in your table. Click on the three dot button on the top right of the table to access sorting and filtering options. You can also link database entries to other pages in Notion by creating a relation property. If you also want to perform calculations, you can use the formula property to create custom formulas within the table. Note that Notion saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. If you want to move the table, simply click on the table's header and drag it to a new location on your page. Once you've created your table, you can invite others to view or edit the page. Just click on the Share button in the top right corner and select your sharing preference. It's as simple as that.